This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend to practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below.
Hello, I hope you are doing well and working very hard. In this session, I will discuss all your queries about RRB. In comment sections, I have seen a lot of you are making queries related to RRB. So I have thought to come up with this video answering all your queries. The first query is on the speed of the dictation. A lot of you have asked about the speed. Let me tell you, the speed will be at 80 words per minute. There will be very less fluctuation, but due to human error, the speed may not be uniform throughout the whole passage. The speed may be anything between 80 to 85 words per minute. The second query is, should we use pen or pencil? In the notification, it is clearly written that candidates are required to bring their own pencils, sharpener and eraser. So no doubt you have to use pencil to write the strokes.
But they have not mentioned that if you can use pen or pencil. So it may be assumed that both are acceptable. But please remember, the pen will be provided by the exam center. You can't bring pen with you.
Please note, computer, keyboard, shorthand notebook, pen will be provided in the exam. You can't bring these items to the exam hall, but you can take pencil, rubber and sharpener. The third query is regarding time of the transcription. It is mentioned that time for transcription is 50 minutes, except PWBD candidates. They will be given 70 minutes. Here it is written, no compensation time will be allowed for dictation. Many students have asked, what does it mean? If the time of dictation is also included in it or not? Let me tell you, here it is clearly written that time only for transcription is 50 minutes. So the time of dictation is not included in it. For PWBD candidates, though 70 minutes will be given for transcription, but no compensatory time will be given for dictation. They have to complete the dictation in regular time. Before moving further, let me inform you all, we have published ebooks specially for RRB Steno. In case you find it necessary, you can check that. Link will be given in the description box. Another query is, if marks will be deducted for incorrect use of comma, full stop, etc. In the notification, there is nothing mentioned about the incorrect use of comma, full stop, etc. So I cannot comment on that. However, wrong use of capital or small letter in the beginning of a sentence will be counted as half mistake. So if you use full stop incorrectly, you will also commit mistakes of using capital or small letter. So marks will be deducted. We have made a video on how the mistakes will be counted. You can watch that video. Video link will be in the description box. The next query is regarding the use of backspace. It is written in the notification that backspace is not allowed. Some people are saying that before using the space bar, you can use backspace. But after you have hit the space bar, backspace is not allowed. I am not aware of it because nothing of this sort is mentioned in the notification. Some candidates are asking previous year's matter. Sorry, I don't have that. But I think the matter will be not very hard as the backspace is not allowed. I think the level of the matter will be easy to moderate. Some candidates are asking if they can write in longhand. Yes, some proper nouns or difficult words may be written in longhand. You can write it in whichever way you wish, but the transcription should be perfect. Someone is asking if they can write the whole dictation in longhand. Yes, you can, but it is not possible. Some of you have asked if the given dictation will be live or recorded. I don't think this will make any difference. They have mentioned nothing about it.
Someone is asking if the dictation matter will be related to railway. We can't say from which matter it will be. It may be from general topic, it may be from Prime Minister's speech or President's speech or some editorial, it may be anything. Someone is asking if certificate of the COVID vaccination is necessary. As they have mentioned in the notification that all the guidelines of COVID will be followed, but they have not mentioned that certificate is necessary. So certificate is not necessary to show there.
So take dictations daily and do transcription directly to the computer, as many as possible. Best of luck to all of you.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.